As Beacons Cymru evolves, we're offering you the opportunity to evolve too.
Fel grŵp o bobl sy'n gweithio yn y diwydiant, ni'n gwybod faint mor prin mae cyfleoedd i bobl ifanc.
I would know. I came through a Beacons Cymru project myself and now I work for them. But what if there was a way to enhance those essential skills and get that essential experience in real life?
Bod dysgu ar-lein yn cool.
We want to offer you the chance to get in-person experience in some of South Wales's most iconic music venues.
Clwb Ifor Bach, Caerdydd.
The pub in the Corn Exchange, Newport.
A bunkhouse, Abertawe. Let's cut to the chase.
Beacons Cymru are teaming up with these grassroots venues to bring you a one-of-a-kind collaboration on a Beacons Cymru traineeship.
Dros y 6 mis nesaf, ni'n edrych am bobl ifanc sydd eisiau ehangu ar eu sgiliau.
From repping gigs to make sure bands can be at their best.
I oleuo, i gael bobl i ddawnsio.
To sound teching, making the 6 music dads at the back of the room nod in appreciation.
I marchnata, i gael bobl yna yn y lle cyntaf.
This is a first-of-its-kind scheme that gets you in and among some of the best professionals the industry has to offer.
Ac yn dysgu ochr i ochr gyda nhw, yn ogystal â chwrdd â pobl hanfodol wneith helpu ar eich siwrne.
Unlock your future career by learning the ropes on the Beacons Cymru traineeship.
Staw, ti wedi dweud y dan gorau to?
Sorry, my bad. So this traineeship, it's free.
Swnio bach fel ti? Wel ewch i wefan beacons.cymru i ddysgu mwy.